You are listening to the AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
Imagine a future, maybe not that far off, with a trillion.
Yeah.
Trillion. AI agents acting as independent economic players.
A trillion agents. Wow.
Yeah, negotiating, buying, selling, spending money, all on their own. Sounds like pure science fiction, doesn't it?
It really does. But someone's actually predicting this.
Exactly. Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino, he recently forecasted this trillion agent economy could be here within maybe 15 years.
15 years, that's soon.
It's a mind-bending idea. So for our deep dive today, we're going to unpack what that really means.
Okay.
We'll look at what these autonomous AI agents actually are, why crypto and blockchain are apparently essential, like non-negotiable for them.
For the infrastructure aspect.
Yeah, and the economic shifts they might trigger, and of course the huge challenges involved.
Definitely need to talk about the challenges.
Our goal here is really to give you a shortcut, cut through the noise, and get to the core of this potential revolution. Okay, let's dive in.
Let's do it.
So, this prediction by Arduino, it's not just AI helping us, is it? It's a whole new way the economy works.
Absolutely. His vision is really the starting point. He sees each one of these trillion agents having its own blockchain wallet.
Its own wallet.
Yeah, using Bitcoin maybe for the big stuff, the high-value settlements, and then stablecoins like USDT for, the day-to-day transactions.
So like corporate treasury versus petty cash, but for AI.
Kind of, yeah. What's fascinating and maybe a bit unsettling is this idea of full autonomy.
Okay, what does that mean in practice?
It means they're programmed to make their own economic choices, negotiating deals, buying what they need, paying for services, settling up.
All based on their programming and what they learn. No human checking the receipts.
Pretty much. Operating without direct human oversight. That's the core idea.
And Bitcoin fits in how?
Well, Bitcoin's security, its decentralization, that fixed supply. Ardoino argues it makes it the perfect base layer, trustworthy, verifiable, even for an AI.
Okay, a digital gold standard for machines.
In a way. And stablecoins, they bring the price stability needed for just, everyday commerce. Agents can transact quickly without worrying if the value's going to swing wildly mid-deal.
Right, essential for microtransactions, I guess.
Exactly. This transforms AI from just a tool in the background to a primary driver of the economy. A parallel machine economy running 24/7.
So clearly we're not talking about your average chatbot here. The sources mention this term. Autonomous agentic AI. What is that exactly? Sounds like a brand name for Skynet.
Well, hopefully not Skynet. But it is a revolutionary framework.
Yeah.
It's AI designed to think, act, and crucially, adapt independently.
Independently. How different is that from current AI?
Very different. Traditional AI often needs human prompts or works in narrow confines, this stuff. It's meant to have a self-directed purpose.
So it takes initiative.
Yes, it presents its environment digital or even physical, makes complex decisions, executes tasks, collaborates with other agents.
Other AIs, okay.
And it evolves its strategies in real time. And the key part for this discussion, it's built to transact autonomously using digital currencies.
And you're saying this isn't just theory?
No. Elements of this, the agentic approach, it's being deployed now, solving complex problems where you need that combo of intelligence and agency.
Okay, that clarifies the what.
Yeah.
But I know a lot of people listening will be thinking, hang on, we have digital banking, fintech. Why can't our current systems handle this? Why must it be crypto and blockchain?
That's the million-dollar question, maybe the trillion-dollar one here. And the answer really boils down to the fundamental design. Traditional finance wasn't built for this.
How so?
Okay, first, permissionless access. An AI agent needs to be able to set up shop, financially speaking, instantly. Create a wallet, boom. No bank applications, no KYC for the agent itself, no borders.
Right. Banks aren't set up to give accounts to lines of code.
Exactly. Then, programmable money. Smart contracts are huge here. Agents can embed complex financial logic directly into their transactions.
Like automatic payments when a job is done.
Precisely. Escrow, subscriptions for data feeds, conditional payments, all automated, no human middleman needed. That's impossible in the legacy system at this scale.
Okay, what else?
It's global and borderless. Agents don't care about banking holidays or correspondent banks. Crypto operates 204/7 everywhere.
Makes sense for a global AI network.
And micropayments. This is critical. Imagine an agent paying another fraction of a cent for an ATI call or a tiny bit of data. Blockchain can handle that efficiently. Traditional systems choke on fees for small amounts.
Yeah, wiring 5 cents costs dollars.
Exactly. Then there's censorship resistance. Agents might operate in weird legal gray areas or across conflicting jurisdictions. They need finance that can't just be switched off by one government or company.
A degree of financial sovereignty for the AI.
You could put it that way. And finally, verifiable scarcity. Things like Bitcoin offer a predictable, auditable monetary base. The rules are transparent, fixed. That's crucial for agents operating without human trust networks.
Okay, that's a compelling case. It really paints a picture of why it has to be this way. But the really interesting part, you said this isn't just theory. Where are these agents already showing up?
Right, this is where it gets really tangible. While 1,000,000,000,000 agents is the future vision, the seeds are definitely sprouting now.
Give us some examples.
Well, in the crypto world itself, it's quite advanced. Think DeFi trading bots. These aren't simple algorithms. They're sophisticated AI agents executing complex, high-frequency strategies, learning, adapting.
Okay, already managing real money.
Lots of it. Then you have autonomous liquidity providers, AI managing positions in decentralized exchanges like Uniswap v3, trying to optimize yield and minimize risks automatically.
So AI managing pools of crypto assets.
Yes, and even DAO treasury management. Tools are emerging that use AI agents to help decentralized autonomous organizations manage their funds, allocate assets, chase yield.
Okay, so crypto is kind of the testing ground. What about outside crypto?
It's happening there too, maybe less visibly sometimes. Think about industry-specific agents. There's RexAgent.ai. It's marketed as a 247 AI real estate assistant,
Doing what?
handling listings, virtual tours, screening potential clients, searching for properties, automating a lot of the legwork.
Huh, okay.
Or TixAIagent.com, an AI for booking tickets, getting VIP access, managing complex travel or entertainment reservations.
Like a superpowered concierge.
Sort of, yeah. For research, there's PhDAIagent.com, agents designed for sophisticated research tasks, finding papers, synthesizing info, generating insights.
Wow.
And JetSetAIagent.com for luxury travel planning complex itineraries, bookings, and even CastingAIagent.com in entertainment, using AI to shortlist talent, score matches, organize auditions.
So these are actual commercial products.
Yeah.
People are using these AI agents today.
Yes, these aren't just demos. They're commercially available solutions starting to reshape how work gets done in these sectors. It really does pull that 15-year timeline forward, doesn't it?
It certainly makes it feel less abstract. Okay, so if these agents are already here and potentially scaling up massively, what are the big economic implications? How does this change things?
The changes could be profound, really fundamental. First off, expect hyper-efficient markets. Meaning agents operating at machine speed will likely spot and eliminate inefficiencies like arbitrage opportunities almost instantly. Supply chains could self-optimize in real time.
So some traditional ways of making money just disappear.
Potentially, yes, or become the exclusive domain of the fastest agents. We'll likely see new kinds of labor markets emerge.
Labor markets for AI.
Yeah, AI agents acting as the primary workers, renting out their specific skills, maybe computation, data analysis, specialized model access for crypto payments.
So you could hire an AI agent to do a task.
Exactly, which leads to a massive agent-to-agent economy. Agents paying other agents for data, storage, compute, access to sensors, other AI models, a whole digital ecosystem. Token incentive structures will likely be key here. Using crypto tokens to incentivize agents, coordinate their actions, align them towards common goals within a network.
And for economists.
It creates incredible macroeconomic complexity. How do you model an economy driven significantly by non-human actors? Does it lead to more volatility or maybe unexpected stability? We just don't know yet.
That potential is, well, it's huge. Revolutionary. It really forces you to rethink what value and work even mean.
Absolutely. Does human effort shift entirely to creativity, strategy, managing these agents? Or are we competing with them? big questions.
But it can't be smooth sailing. With something this big, there must be enormous challenges, right?
Right.
What are the main hurdles we need to overcome?
Oh, the hurdles are significant, monumental even. First, security at scale. We're talking about securing trillions of crypto wallets controlled by autonomous code. That's an immense attack surface. Think quantum computing threats down the line, too.
Securing one wallet is hard enough for people.
Exactly. Then there's the classic Oracle problem, but amplified. How do these agents get reliable, trustworthy data about the real world to make their decisions? Bad data in, disastrous decisions out, potentially at massive scale.
Garbage in, garbage out, but automated.
Right. And the regulatory void. Our current financial laws are built for humans and human organizations. How do you regulate an autonomous agent? Is it a legal entity? How do you tax it? License it? Nobody knows yet.
That's a legal minefield.
Huge. Then, technically, energy and scalability. The sheer transaction volume of trillions of agents would require blockchain infrastructure far beyond what we have today. Processing millions, maybe billions of transactions per second sustainably, that's a massive engineering challenge.
The energy debate around crypto now magnified exponentially.
Could be. And perhaps the biggest, most debated challenge, alignment and control, the AI alignment problem. How do we ensure trillions of these things making their own decisions, act in ways that are beneficial or at least not harmful to human goals?
Right, the don't build Skynet problem on a massive economic scale.
Pretty much. If their goals diverge even slightly from ours, the consequences could be unpredictable and vast. And lastly, there's a risk of centralization. The very infrastructure supporting these agents and networks, the platforms, could become controlled by a few powerful players, undermining the whole decentralization promise.
So, a lot of serious roadblocks. Given all that, what needs to happen? How does the industry, how does society prepare for this agent revolution?
Preparation needs to happen on multiple fronts. We absolutely need to develop robust agent frameworks, standardized, secure ways for agents to have identities, manage wallets, interact safely.
Get the foundational protocols right.
Exactly. Huge investment is needed in scalability solutions. Layer 2s, zero-knowledge proofs, new consensus mechanisms, whatever it takes to handle that transaction load efficiently and securely.
Keep pushing the tech envelope.
We also need to build explainable AI, XAI. If agents are making major economic decisions, we need ways to understand why they made them. For audits, for debugging, for regulation.
Black boxes making trillion-dollar decisions is not ideal.
Definitely not. On the societal side, we probably need regulatory sandboxes, safe spaces to experiment with these agent economies, figure out the rules without killing innovation early on.
Test and learn.
And finally, a major focus on interoperability. Ensuring agents can work across different blockchains, maybe even interact with legacy systems where needed. No walled gardens.
So a lot of work to do on the technical, regulatory, and even philosophical fronts.
Absolutely. It's a multifaceted challenge.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what's the key takeaway for you listening right now? This age of the autonomous economic agent. It's not some distant, maybe. The first steps are being taken now.
Yeah, the prediction might be 15 years for 1 trillion agents, but the trend is clear.
It really is this powerful synergy, isn't it?
It is. AI brings the brain, blockchain provides the rails, the trusted infrastructure, and crypto is the fuel, the actual medium of exchange. Together, they're creating something genuinely new.
A new kind of economic actor,
Yeah.
operating at speeds and scales we can barely imagine. So the final thought to leave you with, what does this actually mean for your economic life, for the nature of value itself? When potentially trillions of non-human minds are out there, thinking, deciding, earning, spending, how does that change what it means to be an economic agent in this century?
That's the question we'll all need to grapple with.
The future of artificial intelligence is unfolding, and it's happening at AI World Week, the flagship global event for innovation, collaboration, and transformation. This flagship global AI event is designed to connect visionary leaders, trailblazing entrepreneurs, and influential thinkers to explore the endless possibilities of AI. Experience groundbreaking technology that redefines industries and inspires progress. Join thought-provoking discussions on ethical AI, digital equity, and the transformative role of technology in our world. Build meaningful connections that catalyze innovation and drive impact. AI World Week is powered by AI World Society, a global movement dedicated to advancing AI responsibly and ensuring it serves humanity. Together, we're shaping a smarter, more inclusive, and equitable future. Continue your journey beyond the event with the AI World Journal, offering expert insights, in-depth analysis, and the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. This is your opportunity to lead, to innovate, and to transform the world with AI. AI World Week. We invite you to join us and embrace the AI revolution.